Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In today's presentation, we will explore the Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC B1667, which indicates a fault in the rear shelf LF antenna circuit in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. DTCs are codes that automotive diagnostic systems generate to indicate malfunctioning components. For the Accord model in question, this specific DTC suggests that the body control module, BCM, has detected an earth fault or short circuit within the LF left front antenna circuit. The role of the BCM is crucial as it manages various electrical functions and ensures signals are transmitted correctly for different components. Located within the vehicle, the BCM connects to multiple parts, including the rear shelf LF antenna, which is essential for radio signal reception. Understanding the root cause of this DTC is vital for restoring the functionality of the antenna and ensuring optimal vehicle performance. DTC B1667 primarily affects the left front antenna located on the rear shelf of the Honda Accord. The rear shelf LF antenna plays a vital role in receiving radio signals, which enhances the overall audio experience in the vehicle. This antenna connects to the body control module, BCM, which monitors various electrical components and systems within the car. If the BCM detects an earth fault, it registers this as an abnormal condition and subsequently stores the DTC for further troubleshooting. The error suggests there may be an issue with the wiring or connection to the antenna. If the circuit is shorted, it can impede the antenna's functionality and lead to a loss of reception or other audio communication issues. There are a few possible causes for the B1667 error code. First and foremost, wiring issues can lead to shorts in the circuit, particularly around the connections between the BCM and the rear shelf LF antenna. Additionally, a faulty body control module, BCM, could mistakenly identify a normal electrical flow as an error, which would cause this DTC to be triggered. If the BCM circuitry is compromised, it can fail to accurately relay information about the antenna. Lastly, the rear shelf LF antenna itself may be defective or damaged, leading to poor communication with the BCM. Each potential cause needs to be investigated to effectively pinpoint the issue and remedy the fault. Symptoms associated with the DTC B1667 can significantly impact the overall driving experience. One of the most noticeable symptoms is poor radio signal reception, which may manifest as static or intermittent audio from radio stations. Additionally, drivers may experience erratic audio issues where sounds may cut in and out unexpectedly, indicating an underlying problem with the antenna or its connections to the BCM. Furthermore, the body control module itself may generate error notifications through the vehicle's dashboard or diagnostic system. Observing these symptoms can serve as crucial indicators for pinpointing the B1667 error. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC B1667 is to perform a self-check using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This diagnostic tool allows technicians to assess the vehicle's electronic systems comprehensively. During this initial check, it is essential to determine if any additional DTCs are present. Having multiple error codes can indicate interconnected issues, particularly if they relate to the antenna or the BCM. If additional DTCs exist, further examination of those specific components may be warranted. This systematic approach ensures that any underlying problems are identified early on, allowing for more efficient resolutions. The next step in the troubleshooting process involves inspecting the external circuit, specifically focusing on the EXT-M+ and EXT-M- wires, which are critical for the antenna's connectivity. Technicians will need to visually examine these wires for any signs of shorts, breaks, or wear that could indicate electrical faults. Additionally, using a multimeter to test the resistance and continuity of the wires can help pinpoint any weaknesses or shorts within the circuit. Normative conditions should show more than 1 mho of resistance, indicating that the wires are functioning properly. Any significantly lower readings suggest that there is a fault, warranting further investigation or repairs as necessary. Following the inspection of the external circuit, we move on to checking the body control module BCM. Disconnecting the rear shelf LF antenna connector is necessary at this stage to clearly test the BCM. The technician should inspect the BCM connections for any corrosion, loose terminals, or damage that may disrupt its operation. Once the connectors are checked, the next step is to verify the functionality of the BCM itself. This can be done by measuring the output voltage while the module is powered on. If the BCM is malfunctioning, it will indicate an issue unrelated to the circuit wiring, confirming that further action is required to either repair or replace the BCM. If the previous inspections returned normal results, the final step involves testing the rear shelf LF antenna. This should be the last component assessed in the sequence of checks, as it is only scrutinized after confirming that both the wiring and the BCM are functioning correctly. During this inspection, technicians should ensure the antenna connections are secure and free from corrosion or damage. If the antenna is confirmed to be functioning poorly or not at all, it indicates that it is the likely source of the error. At this point, replacing the antenna may be necessary to restore full functionality to the radio system. After completing the necessary repairs and component replacements, it is crucial to conduct a final verification of the repairs made. Start by clearing any stored DTCs from the vehicle system to ensure that the error codes do not persist post-repair. Once cleared, testing the radio reception should be the next priority, as it directly relates to the functionality of the repaired components. A successful verification will also include a thorough check of all related systems to ensure they are operating correctly without generating any new error codes. Lastly, documenting the findings and repair actions taken will provide invaluable information for future troubleshooting and maintenance. Preventive maintenance is key to minimizing the risk of future DTC occurrences, such as B1667. Regular inspections of the external circuits, specifically around the antenna and BCM connections, can deter potential issues before they escalate. It is advisable to check the wiring periodically, as wear and tear can occur due to environmental factors or regular vehicle use. Additionally, ensuring that the software of the BCM and other related systems is up to date fosters optimal performance. Many times, software updates can address known issues and improve the overall efficiency of the vehicle's electrical components. By investing time in preventive maintenance now, vehicle owners can save money in the long run by avoiding more expensive repairs. In summary, understanding the implications of DTC B1667 is crucial for maintaining the proper functionality of the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. Effective troubleshooting requires a systematic approach, starting from initial inspections through to comprehensive testing of components. Each step builds on the previous one, guiding technicians to a precise diagnosis of the issue. Additionally, regular maintenance checks not only help in preventing the recurrence of such DTCs, but also enhance the vehicle's performance and reliability. By following these practices, vehicle owners can ensure their Honda Accord remains efficient and free from communication errors between the antenna and the BCM. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!